Hi everyone, Tom here again at Strapworks.com. Today we're doing a DIY with military flip-top belt buckles. Okay, step one in this project is pick a buckle. They do come with a tip that goes on the end of the webbing and is smashed down to protect the end. Also makes for a nice finish. Well, step two is choosing your webbing. Now, the best webbing for these buckles is our PQ, our picture quality polyester. Okay, our next step is to secure the webbing to the buckle. There's no sewing involved, and there's a neat little clamp here. Just bring your webbing under that clamp and approximately to the beer bottle opener, and then seal it. Open the belt buckle, thread it through the top, cinch it up to where you're comfortable, and close it. If you find that it's a little too long for you, just take a good pair of scissors, cut off however much you need, and use your lighter to seal that in before putting the tip on. Center your webbing on that buckle, make sure that it's even, then take whatever you're going to use to smash this and give it a quick whack. Okay guys, in less than 10 minutes, you can have your own really good looking military flip-top buckle belt.